Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving over Spur Tree Hill and we're actually heading down the hill now. There's a sign you're entering Spur Tree. And when driving on the south coast of Jamaica, let's say you want to get from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth or from Mandeville to Santa Cruz, this is the road you have to take, so you have to go over this hill. Now there was another road that you could use before, but this road was built to replace that road because it was very winding and dangerous. And then they now have plans to build a bypass to bypass this hill. But it hasn't started yet, and that bypass will actually be a part of Highway 2000 when it eventually runs through this parish. This is the famous Spur Tree Hill. The only other hill that is more famous or popular in Jamaica is probably Mount Rossa, which is a road you have to drive on to get to Ocho Rios from Kingston, or if you're heading towards the north coast of Jamaica. That's the most popular road on the north coast, which is Mount Rossa, and on the south coast it's Spur Tree Hill. Of course, the most popular hill or mountain in Jamaica is the Blue Mountains, but that's over on the eastern part of the island. There you can see a very nice view of St. Elizabeth.